BHC in the winter. Yeah. Oh, got my burger? You got the goods?
Yeah, the goods. Yeah.
Yo. You're massive. Yeah, massive.
Man, you got a lot of dandruff there, Adam. Jeez.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Wait. Oh, you can catch them when they come in.
Hey Eddie, it's so romantic out here. You should get Sarah.
Look at that. No, I'm good. Snowball coming down.
No, I'm not good though. I want to see some action. Come on. This is not satisfying. Come on, B-Rush.
Track them in and catch them. It's so huge.
No. No.
This is me in snow. What now, world? Yeah, getting 10 inches tonight back home. This is maybe an inch later. So it's Sarah.
Hello.
I got one.
There we go.
Wow.
I want to see something here.
This is so intense.
Fine.
Ah. It's hit me in the nose.
Just catch it with your hands, easier.
Whoa. These are massive things. I've never seen places.
I
I have, not in a while.
Yeah.
It's fun.
They're absolutely huge.
Snowball fight.
Not enough snow.
I know, really.
Holy cow.
Hi.